How to do standing kettlebell. Forward lunges, step by step. 1. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Hold a kettlebell in each hand by your sides, like suitcase style. Or one kettlebell at chest level, goblet position. Engage your core and keep your chest lifted. 2. Step forward. Take a big step forward with your right leg. Lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the floor and your left knee nearly touches the ground. Keep your front knee directly above your ankle. Don't let it go past your toes. 3. Push back to standing. Drive through your front heel to push yourself back to the starting position. Repeat on the left leg. Continue alternating legs for desired reps or time. Fear, form tips. Keep your torso upright. Avoid leaning too far forward. Maintain a tight core throughout the movement. Keep the kettlebells steady. Don't let them swing. Muscles worked. Quadriceps, front of thighs, primary mover during the forward step. Gluteus maximus, buttocks, activates when pushing back up. Hamstrings, back of thighs, help stabilize and extend the hips. Calves, assist in balance and push off. Core muscles, stabilize your body and maintain posture. Forearms and grip, engaged if holding kettlebells at your sides. Thanks for watching.